Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with this one to have a little bit more space to show you how you can do that. And now just hold for a while your device screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just click here once, and here you can see all the available widgets, and you can select one from them and to add it to the home screen. For example, we can go with the clock one. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it to the section where you want to just add it. If you want, you can change the size of the widget. You can make it smaller or bigger by this way. And just if you want, we can also remove this widget between the screens here, or also we can create the new screen with the widget. So can you see that's possible? And just to remove the widget, hold it for a while and click here to remove icon, or just hold for a while and drag it here to the remove icon to the app. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.